To start, you need to be clear and specific about your desire. To manifest something quickly, you must be absolutely certain about what you want. Assume waking up and realizing that your deepest dreams have become reality. This isn't just a fantasy. It's entirely achievable by applying a set of powerful principles. The core of these principles is the belief that imagination creates reality. By harnessing the power of your imagination, you can shape your world to match your desires. Your thoughts and emotions, vividly thought, have the power to change your external circumstances. The essence of this practice lies in focusing on what you want rather than on what you don't want. To begin, you must have a clear and specific desire. Manifesting something quickly requires absolute clarity about what you want. Vague wishes yield vague results. Whether it's a new job, a loving relationship, financial abundance, or improved health, specificity is crucial. Write down your desire in detailed terms. Be as specific as possible, as if you are placing a precise order with the universe. The next step is to enter a state akin to sleep, a relaxed, drowsy state where the conscious and subconscious minds meet. This state makes your subconscious mind more receptive to suggestions. Achieve this state through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, allowing your mind to become calm and undistracted. Once in this state, vividly, assume your desire as if it has already been fulfilled. Engage all your senses to create a mental scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. See it, feel it, hear it, smell it, and taste it. Make this mental scene as real and detailed as possible. For example, if you are manifesting a new home, assume walking through each room, feeling the texture of the walls, smelling the fresh paint, and hearing the sounds within your home. The richer the sensory experience in your mind, the more powerful it becomes. Feeling the emotions associated with the fulfillment of your desire is crucial. Emotions are the driving force behind manifestations. Feel the joy, excitement, gratitude, and relief as if your desire has already manifested. These feelings must be genuine and intense. This emotional charge propels your desire into reality. The subconscious mind, which does not distinguish between real and thought experiences, will accept this vivid, emotionally charged scene as reality and set the creative process in motion. Repetition is another vital aspect of this technique. Repeatedly visualize your desire in the state akin to sleep, reinforcing the belief that it is already a reality. This repetition solidifies the impression on your subconscious mind, making your desire a dominant part of your inner world. Consistency and persistence are key. Even if doubts or negative thoughts arise, continue to focus on your desired outcome with unwavering faith. One of the most powerful concepts is living in the end. This means that you must mentally and emotionally live as if your desire is already fulfilled. Act, think, and feel as though you are already in possession of what you want. This shift in consciousness aligns your inner world with your desired reality, attracting it into your external world. It's about embodying the state of having rather than wanting. Detachment is also crucial. Detachment does not mean a lack of interest or desire. Rather, it means releasing any attachment to the outcome and trusting the process. After you have thought your desire as fulfilled, let it go with complete faith that it will manifest. Avoid obsessing over the how and when it will happen. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desire into reality in the best possible way. Faith and belief are the foundation of successful manifestation. You must believe in the power of your imagination and the creative process. Doubt and fear are the biggest obstacles to manifestation. Cultivate a strong belief that your desire is already on its way to you. Affirmations can be a useful tool in reinforcing this belief. Repeat positive affirmations that align with your desire, such as, "I am worthy of all my desires," "I trust the process of manifestation," and "My desires are manifesting now." Gratitude is another essential element. Being grateful for what you have and for what is coming creates a positive vibration that attracts more of what you want. Each day, take a moment to express gratitude for your current blessings and for the fulfillment of your desires. This not only raises your vibration, but also reinforces the belief that your desires are already a reality. Maintaining a positive and high vibration mindset throughout your day is important. Monitor your thoughts and feelings, and make a conscious effort to focus on positivity and abundance. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's through uplifting books, inspirational music, or supportive people. Your external environment should reflect the reality you are creating internally. Action is also part of the manifestation process. While the primary focus is on mental and emotional alignment, taking inspired action in alignment with your desire can accelerate the manifestation process. Listen to your intuition and act on any nudges or ideas that come to you. These are often the universe's way of guiding you towards your desire. However, ensure that your actions are inspired and not driven by desperation or fear. Patience and persistence are crucial. Manifestation is a natural process, and just like any natural process, it takes time to unfold. Trust that everything is happening in divine timing. Even if you do not see immediate results, remain persistent in your practice and maintain your faith. Your desire will manifest at the right time and in the right way. When faced with setbacks or a lack of visible progress, remember that setbacks are a natural part of the manifestation process. They are often a sign that something better is on its way, or that you need to adjust your approach. Use setbacks as opportunities to reassess and refine your desires and techniques. Stay positive and focused, and remember that every step, even setbacks, is part of the journey towards your manifestation. The universe is a field of infinite possibilities. Your role is to select the desire you wish to manifest. Once chosen, immerse yourself in the feeling of it being a reality. This is where the magic truly happens. Understand that the external world is a mere reflection of your inner world. It's not about changing the world, it's about changing your perception of it. When you shift your focus, your reality shifts with it. Let go of doubt and fear. These are the barriers that prevent your dreams from becoming reality. Replace them with faith and expectation. Believe in the inevitability of your success. You are not alone in this journey. The universe is always supporting you. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Every setback is a setup for a greater comeback. Maintain a sense of peace and trust in the process. This is a journey inward, not outward. It's about connecting with your inner power, the source of all creation. By mastering your imagination, you're unlocking the key to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Consistency is key. Practice this technique daily. The more you engage with your imagination, the stronger your manifesting ability becomes. Don't get discouraged if results don't appear immediately. Trust the process and keep the faith. The universe is abundant. There's no shortage of anything. Your role is to claim your share. Believe in your worthiness to receive all that life has to offer. This is not about getting something from the universe, it's about aligning yourself with the universe's natural flow of abundance. You are a co-creator of your reality. Now, it's time to take action. Start practicing these techniques today. Observe the shifts in your life. Share your experiences with others to inspire and uplift them. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process. Stay consistent in your visualizations, affirmations, and gratitude practices. Don't get discouraged if results don't appear immediately. Trust the timing of the universe. your desires are being prepared for. Your imagination is a creative force. It's the birthplace of all things. Spend time visualizing your desires as already fulfilled. Assume the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your goal. The more vivid your imagination, the quicker your manifestation. Assume yourself already living your desired reality. Feel the emotions associated with it. This mental shift positions you in the frequency of your desire, making it easier for the universe to deliver it. While imagination is powerful, it's essential to complement it with inspired action. The universe often presents opportunities aligned with your desires. Be open to new experiences and take steps that resonate with your goals. Remember, action is the bridge between imagination and realization. True manifestation begins with self-love. Accept yourself unconditionally, flaws and all. When you love yourself, you attract love and abundance into your life. Self-love is the foundation for creating a fulfilling reality. In conclusion, the key to manifesting your desires quickly lies in harnessing the power of your imagination. By clearly defining your desires, entering a relaxed state, and vividly imagining your goals as already achieved, you effectively communicate these desires to your subconscious mind. Feeling the associated emotions intensely helps propel your desires into reality. Consistent repetition of these practices reinforces their impression on your subconscious mind, making your desires a dominant part of your inner world. Living as if your desires are already fulfilled and letting go of attachment to the outcome are crucial steps. Trusting the process and maintaining strong belief in your imagination will help you overcome doubts and fears. Daily affirmations and gratitude practices raise your vibration and attract more of what you want. Maintaining a positive mindset and surrounding yourself with uplifting influences will keep you focused on your goals. Inspired actions aligned with your desires can further accelerate the process. Patience and persistence are essential as manifestation unfolds in its own time. The key to manifesting your dreams lies within you. You have the power to shape your reality. Trust in the process, stay consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself. The universe is abundant and your desires are valid. Now, take that first step and watch your dreams unfold. Want to supercharge your manifestation journey? Give this video a thumbs up. For more tips on manifesting your dreams, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Share this video with a friend who could benefit from this knowledge. And most importantly, start applying these principles today and witness the magic unfold in your life.